Not your regular plantain chips, guys. Wait till you see this spicy recipe. New shape is indeed a game changer. Let me show you a different way to enjoy plantain chips. Not the regular spice or the shape you are used to. This very one is special. First, I start with rinsing my green plantain. Rinse it properly under a running tap. Peel the plantain.
Whispers through the trees, carrying broken memories, but deep inside my heart I pray that hope will find my path someday.
This is the cutter we're using. I believe if you don't have this cutter in your kitchen, you must have come across it. I sliced my plantain into this unique shape, perfect for home, also good for selling.
Hope will rise again. The village sees my quiet tears, a child alone through lonely years, but in the dark a light I see. A brighter day for someone like me.
I'm doing this to dry the water on the plantain so it can absorb the ingredients we're going to spice it with. I added dry pepper, curry, spices, and a little salt. This combination gives it that rich, spicy flavor that you need for them. For my spices, I have my lasso spice, the chicken flavor, the pepper soup flavor, and my curry masala.
One day the rain will fade away and joy will greet the break of day. The child who cried beneath the sky will spread new wings and learn to fly. So I will stand and I will say,
Add some salt. Remember, we're using spices, so your salt should be very little, okay? Mix them together. Make sure the ingredients are well combined.
through every storm, through every pain, let sunshine find my life.
I transferred it into a bowl so I can add my pepper because I don't want to use my hand in mixing it when I've added the pepper. So add the pepper. When you have added your pepper, you mix it very well. You can see we have mixed it. Now I will light up my gas and place a pan on heat. Add my vegetable oil. In this recipe we're going to deep fry it, but please make sure the heat is not too high so that it can gradually cook and fry properly. Fry it till golden brown. Stirring it at interval, okay? After a while you stir it.
On a dusty road I walk alone, no mother's voice to call my own. The wind it whispers through the trees.
Look at that beautiful plantain chips we're having there. It's not just by looking beautiful, it's really tasty.
that hope will find my path someday. Oh heaven, hear my silent cry. Don't let this little dreamer die. Through every storm, through every pain, let sunshine find my life again.
Repeat the process for the remaining one. Same process.
The village sees my quiet tears, a child alone through lonely years. But in the dark a light I see, a brighter day for someone like me. Though shadows fall along my way, I keep the faith for a better day. Oh heaven, hear my silent cry. Don't let this little dreamer die. Through every storm, through every pain, let sunshine.
Look at that, just look at that. Crispy in the outside, full of flavor inside.
Hope will rise again.
You can enjoy this anytime, but I love mine with tea in the morning as breakfast.
And joy will greet the break of day. The child will cry beneath the
Simple,
sky.
crunchy, and very satisfying. Once you try this, guys, your regular plantain chips will feel very boring.